show you guys how to make GIF on TikTok profile. So yeah, let's just start video. So first of how you can do it, you can just open up your TikTok app, and after this, now you have this kind of interface on TikTok. Make sure you have already update on TikTok. If you do not update, so you first update and then you can apply this guide. So now what you can do, what you need to tap on this profile icon, and then you can select your gallery videos and GIF. Right now, so I have many videos and GIFs. I select tap on it, and then you can put customize there and simply tap on save. So this is how you can do it. That's it.